Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. There are so many new people here. If you're new and you've just subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. My last video went down ridiculously well, so just hello to all my newcomers. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I thought I would bring it back to my makeup route and do an everyday, well, like every day, the days I do wear makeup, because if you watch my vlogs you'll see that is hardly ever. Yeah, I feel guilty. Yeah. Well, the days I decide to do makeup, I'll do this. It's super easy, it takes like 15 to 20 minutes to do. If you do like the way this looks, then just carry on watching, and also make sure you subscribe, because I may or may not have another week in the life of a basic bitch coming soon. If you do like this makeup, then just carry on watching and you can see how to get it. Woo! Oh, okay, I look awful. First thing I'm going to do is my foundation, because as you can see I do not have perfect skin. So many people in my vlogs were asking me, oh my gosh, your skin is so nice, how do you get it looking so good? I just squirted foundation all over my carpet. Foundation. I'm currently using the EX1 Invisiwear foundation just to see as to whether I like it, but my holy grail foundation that I will always go back to is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte, and I blend it all over my face with a damp beauty blender. This foundation is a lot more light coverage than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a pretty full coverage, but as you can see it's actually pretty light. The only reason I really like it is because it makes your skin look so glowy and just beautiful. As I mentioned before, this foundation isn't full coverage, meaning that you still can see imperfections such as like redness from blemishes or like my little broken blood vessel that everyone likes to point out in my videos. Thanks for that. Got him. Next, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I honestly just use any sort of brown eyeshadow. I'm really not very fussy when it comes to my eyebrows. People always ask me what I use and I feel like I'm disappointing them when I tell them it's just a brown eyeshadow. I take this one at the front and then this one towards the end of my brow. This is just the Soft as Nails palette, but it's broken and so disgustingly dirty. I just skipped it by accident. And that is how to become a catfish Instagram model. My shit just fell off the bed. Baby, I just let you go. Oh, I missed it. Now that my foundation has like had a bit of time to kind of dry down, I'm gonna put some concealer on. For this I just use any kind of light concealer. I'm really not like that fussy with my own makeup. Obviously I do makeup at college and I'm fussier about how it looks on other people than I am about myself. Call me crazy, but I just get bored of my own face. So what I do with this is pop a little bit under my eyes. I just pop it here, more so to brighten up my cheekbone and give a more highlighted look. And with this concealer I blend it out straight away, otherwise it will dry. You said you can call me Alex, baby. What about me and you together? Something that could really last forever. My whole playlist is Rex Orange County. Oops. Loving is easy. You have me fucked up on time. So loving is easy. I was dropping my laptop. What's it? Now I'm using a L'Oreal Infallible Matte Powder to set the areas that I highlighted, kind of like pack it down on there. And then the areas I didn't, I still kind of just set them anyway, so I'm basically setting everywhere. Beauty gurus are shaking that I'm not baking. Oh, Poem, don't even know it. Every time I get a better side. So now that I look like an egg with eyebrows, we're gonna go in with eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I literally use like 1-2 eyeshadows at the most. I'll take a big fluffy brush in a bronzer. This is the Bourjois Maxi Delight bronzer, and I'll just take it on a big fluffy brush, as I said before, and just sweep it through my crease. I always think it's Kiss. And I go in with the single eyeshadow from MAC in the shade Texture, just on the Zoeva 227. Where you want it, girl. How does anyone sing that low? Call me to 'cause I can see it. So tell the voice inside your head to believe it. Now for bronzer, I'm just going in with that same bronzer, which is the Bourjois Maxi Delight. And just kind of bronze up my face, really. So the usual places like temples, cheekbones. It really makes your cheekbones pop when you bronze them, which I like. And as I've stated 100 times before, I'm disgustingly pale. So we're going to need a lot of bronzer to fix that. Keep up all night smoking and drinking like what the fuck was I thinking? Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush. But I don't know what to put my blush on. I'm going to go in with the Benefit Rockateur blush. This is just a fail-safe blush. It's a really pretty rose goldy colour. Had to let you know, y'all. This bit goes downhill. I'm using Becca's Champagne Pop Highlight. I would show you, but I'd rather not talk about it. With my bag. Oh. Brag now. Got my bitch a Louis bag now. She can brag now. Sitting in the club in a different background. Baby, when I put it up, you gon' put that ass down. Now for mascara. Pretty boring, pretty basic. One that I've always used. Maybelline Lash Sensational. Oh. It tends to tell me that I'm shit in my head. But maybe I should fuck it and be happy. Said boop, boop. As for lips, this is something I change up pretty much every day, but usually I will go for Charlotte Tilbury Super Cindy, but I don't have that on hand to me at the moment, but it's a really pretty like pinky peachy nudie colour. Usually it will always be a nude. I just kind of interchange between which one. One I'm going to use today is a Makeup Revolution one in the shade Matte Chauffeur. I think it's just Chauffeur, but it's the matte version of the shade, and it's just like a really pretty nudie colour, very similar to my natural lip colour, but I just put it on because I'm ugly and they need covering. Thank you. When I lose control, it's only 'cause and we're all done. This is my finished every day, because I don't wear makeup every day. I literally, if you watch my weekly vlogs, you'll see I wear makeup about 2 days a week. Whisper late at night. Once in a while, I'm digging through. So that is the So that is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, if you did, don't forget to subscribe and also leave a thumbs up and comments down below. As I said before, I am filming another week in the life of a basic bitch, so if you'd like to see that, make sure you subscribe, and if you haven't seen my last one, go over and watch it. I love you all so much. I'm so grateful for everyone who subscribes and leaves lovely comments. I was so overwhelmed with the comments and everything that I received on my last video. It's just very special. But yeah, I will see you all very soon. I'll also leave my Spotify linked in the description box because loads of people are asking that, and all the songs that I was playing throughout the video will be on there. Okay, bye!